Good morning, good afternoon. This is Ivan Portilla. You're going to see a demonstration of GitHub Copilot. You can get this demonstration and the slides for today's presentation on my GitHub page at iPortilla low code. Here we are in GitHub Copilot. If you notice, I have a plugin in the bottom of the screen. I have configured my Visual Studio Code to use the GitHub Copilot. You see the icon here. My first example is with Go language. I'm going to find the prime numbers less than 100. I'm learning Go, and I just type the comment. And as I tap over, the plugin writes the function for me. So I can write the whole thing, how to calculate prime numbers. And I can see the different options it offers just by doing the tap function. My next demonstration is with a Python script. So I'm going to get the repositories for a given organization. I don't know how to write that. So I open the chat interface and I type get repositories for a given organization. So Copilot looks at my code and it writes the function that I need. I just put my cursor over here and writes my code completely. But let's suppose that I make a typo on my code. I forgot to close that string, forgot the quotes. So I now have an error. I'd say Copilot fix my error. Copilot looks at my code and it tells me that I have a syntax error and I need to close the quote. I can either highlight my code and paste it there with the fix. Next, I'm going to create a test case for that code. Copilot look at my get repositories function and it creates a test case. So I'll just go over here and copy the code into my Python script. And last, I'm going to show you, you can also do translations. So I have this code here. It's written in Python. So I wanted to write the same code to draw the scatter plot using JavaScript. I do translate to JavaScript. Looks like my code, and it generates the function in JavaScript. In this example is the last one that I'm going to show you today. I have some regex expressions that are very complicated. So I say, explain that code. It's going to look into my regular expressions, the P1, P2, PP, and it's going to explain what everyone is doing. The first one is looking for an address. Next one is looking for phone numbers, and the last one is looking for emails. So I'm going to ask it to make this code more readable so I can understand the code and explain it to my students. So Copilot will look at my code, rename the libraries, and make the code more readable for me with comments. Thank you.